Redeeming an Amazon gift card on Mistplay takes less than 2 minutes once you have enough units. The part that slows people down is usually finding the reward and verifying the account. By the end of this, you'll know exactly how to redeem your Mistplay units for an Amazon gift card and avoid the common mistakes that delay payouts. Here's the direct answer. Open Mistplay, go to the Shop tab, choose your Amazon gift card, confirm the redemption, and wait for the code to arrive by email. That's the whole process. Now here's how it works, step by step. First, open Mistplay and tap the Shop or Rewards section at the bottom of the app. That's where all available gift cards are listed. Second, scroll until you find Amazon. Gift card options can vary by country, so if you don't see it, your region may have different reward partners. That matters. Mistplay doesn't show the same rewards to everyone. Third, choose the gift card amount you want. You'll usually see multiple values like smaller or larger gift card options depending on your available units. Check the unit cost before redeeming. That tells you if you have enough. Fourth, confirm your email address. This is where Mistplay sends the gift card code. If your email is wrong, your reward can get delayed or lost. That's one of the most common mistakes. After you confirm, tap Redeem. Mistplay processes the request and sends the code to your inbox once approved. Now, here's the important part. Check your spam or promotions folder if you don't see it. A lot of users think the reward is missing when it's just filtered. Once the code arrives, copy it. Open Amazon, go to gift card balance and paste the code into your account. That applies the balance instantly. One extra tip. Don't redeem the second you hit enough units if a higher value card gives better unit efficiency. Sometimes saving longer gets better value. Check the math first. Quick recap. Go to the Rewards tab. Choose Amazon. Confirm your email. Redeem and wait for the code. Apply it in your Amazon account. Practical next step. Open Mistplay now, check your unit balance, and compare which Amazon gift card option gives you the best value. If this saved you time, hit like and subscribe for more Mistplay guides.